Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your download history on the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Make sure you're already signed in with your Google account. Once the Play Store opens, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After tapping the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Now, tap on the Manage tab. Here, you'll be able to see a complete list of apps that have been downloaded using your Google account on this device. This includes both installed apps and apps that were downloaded in the past but are no longer installed. If you use the same Google account on multiple devices, you can also switch between devices to view app history linked to that account. You can further organize the list by toggling different filters, such as installed apps, not installed apps, updates available, or archived apps. You also have the option to sort apps alphabetically, by most used, least used, or recently updated, making it easier to find a specific app. And that's it. This is how you can quickly and easily check your download history on the Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.